Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color of taskbar, title bar and window borders in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First, right click on the desktop. Click on this option, personalize. Now click on this option, colors. Now here you will get this option, choose your mode. Currently I am using light mode, so first you have to select custom mode from here. Click on custom and from here you will see this option, choose your default Windows mode. Click on this mode and select dark mode from here. That's it. Now scroll down. You can select any color from here, like I will select this color and then scroll down. Here you will see two options. One is show accent color on start and taskbar and other one is show accent color on title bars and window borders. So you have to enable both the options. This will change the taskbar color and this will change the title bar and windows borders color. So you have to enable both the options. Select this option. After that, select this option. Here you can see the color has been changed of taskbar. You can select some different colors from here, like I will select this color. Here you will see the colors will be changed. You can select different colors from here. So now to check the border color, you can open any application, like I will go for Notepad. Type Notepad on search box. Click on this application. Here you can see the window of Notepad color has changed. So guys, in this video we saw how to change color of taskbar, title bar and window borders in Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.